All right, what is up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting video. We're gonna be adding more carbon fiber parts to our motorcycle, our giveaway bike. First time we've ever done these parts. I also have a big announcement in this video. Lots of fun stuff to do. Tina Wieners is gonna help us unbox it in her bikini. Doesn't get any better than this. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Okay, so first things first, if you haven't already, go check out the Patreon page. These are community funded motorcycle builds. We give them away whenever they're done. Patreon.com/Campisi Customs is always the first link in the description below. So Teens is reaching in our box of Moto Million goodies. The sponsor for the series, check out motomillion.com. Use my code Campisi to save yourself some money. And today we're gonna be unboxing, like I said, parts we've never done before. It is carbon fiber and it's gonna be super trick. So Tina Wieners is helping us out here. Huh?
I know which ones these are.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some titanium bolts. We have blue titanium bolts for pretty much every piece on the bike. I don't know what that said on the side there.
So good.
Front brake disc. Yeah, so there should be a left and right version of those. This should be for the ABS.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look how tiny and cute those are.
So we're going with like a blue and carbon theme on this bike. Thank you for all your feedback on the carbon belly panel. We did decide to order the stock graphics and we are gonna put them on the carbon belly panel to help tie that all in with the bike.
The axles.
Oh, the actual pinch bolts. Nice, on the front.
Those look really
So these
good.
those right there. I don't know if you can see them, these two right here. All of these around here are getting replaced. Pretty much every bolt in the front of the bike is gonna be replaced with titanium.
Oh, can we guess which one this is?
So this is cool. This is something we've never done before. People have always
it looks very different.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
The Ducatis we're used to.
So this is gonna replace that front carbon piece. Look at this though.
It's a mud hugger.
Yeah, so it is, as Christina likes to say, it is a mud hugger.
It's huge.
Massive. Size does matter.
Very big.
Size matters, boys.
Very big and
So
very black.
it's replacing this stock one, and it's gonna get rid of this reflector.
What?
And the cool thing about it, yeah, look, it has built-in brake cooling ducts. How cool is that?
The Ducatis used to
Have them separate.
little
Yeah, and we'd have
pieces.
issues with the forks compressing too far and possibly hitting them, so we'd have to like modify them and stuff. This one,
look at
built
the
right
sun.
in. Yeah.
Look at that shine.
Look at that, dude. Absolutely stunning carbon. It's gonna match all the other carbon. Glossy twill weave. So that's super cool. And then these we've never done before, not even close.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Is
so
this for the wheel?
yeah. So this is straight off the M1000R, which you could only get these if you bought the M1000RR. But Manny was able to get us some of these things.
Oh my
Look
God.
at this.
I've never seen that before.
So this right here is a front brake disc cover. Look at how wild this is. I don't even know how
does
this.
that go like over this?
Yeah,
Is
but
that
it's,
what that
look,
covers?
it's gonna be like down here
No,
like
I know,
this.
but that's what it covers?
Yep. It's
That's
gonna
so
cover this down here.
interesting.
So there's a left and a right side, and I think that's for aerodynamics. So they want to keep all the air away from the wheel, except for the air that they're sending through to cool the brake calipers. Otherwise, it's just going to help with aerodynamics. And actually, we have another piece. Whenever we do this piece back here, we're going to do something similar, and it's going to be really cool. So there's all kinds of really cool like tech going into bikes right now when it comes to like aerodynamics. So it's super cool that we're able to actually get some of this stuff. It all trickles down from MotoGP. Yeah, that's what we're going to be installing today. It's going to be interesting to see how it looks.
Different.
It's going to make it look very unique. And the whole point of these builds is to do stuff that you don't normally see. People say they get bored with the same parts, same bikes, whatever. So we're trying to switch it up as much as we possibly can. And that's it. And then we have another big announcement, which we're going to need to go inside for. So let's head on in. And then the other big announcement is we were actually contacted by the PR development for The Biker Riders, which is a new movie that's coming out, starring Tom Hardy and a bunch of other really cool actors. And they actually asked if we could help promote the film. So they're gonna send us out a press package with some goodies from the film. I believe some of the jackets they're wearing and some of the gloves and stuff like that. And we're gonna get to do like an unboxing where you're even talking about them about possibly going out to the premiere. So I'll keep you posted. If that's something you guys would like to see, like a vlog of us going out to LA and going to the movie premiere for the movie, let us know in the comment section below. I would love to do more stuff like that, and especially like be a part of the motorcycle community when it comes to like Hollywood and stuff. Because I think it would do a good job of connecting the dots between the people who are like these big Hollywood stars and then like little influencers like us. that have audiences based around, you know, motorcycles and the love of motorcycles. Fun fact, Tom Hardy was in a movie that we loved called Venom, and he actually rode a Ducati Scrambler in that movie, and Ducati Santa Barbara helped prepare those scramblers for that movie, and when they were done, they gave one of the wrecked scramblers to Carlin, God rest his soul, who used to work at Ducati Santa Barbara, and I got to see that bike after it was used in the movie. So really cool little connection there with Tom Hardy and myself, and it'll be really cool to go out and maybe see the movie premiere and meet Tom and all the other cast, because it looks like an awesome movie. So let me know if you guys would like to see that in the comment section below, and let's get over to Warhorse and get to work. All right, we're looking at some customer bikes here. Actually, they just took this in on trade, and sometimes you get deals when you do trades. Look at this. This came with an extra unused condom. Unfortunately, it did just expire, but hey, you know, you can't count. I can't even speak. Was it under the seat?
It was tucked down in there.
That's hilarious. Next to the battery. I guess he really wanted to keep that thing safe, huh? That's awesome. So hey, if anyone wants the new ZX6R that they just took on trade, maybe we'll throw the condom in. A little bit extra, you know?
Package deal.
That's how sexy these bikes are. All right, it's not that close. It's a wide angle. So we had someone who wants to send their bike to Warhorse.
Ed here
their Aprilia.
At the service shop,
Yeah.
we got a call from a guy named Dale in Alabama.
Shout out to Dale.
And he's going to send his Aprilia all the way from Alabama to here.
How cool is that?
Something having to do with the radiator. And
Have
then
work done.
shipping it back to Alabama. So he trusts this shop. And he called in about the Campisi discount. So
Anywhere, all over the
It's gonna get
country.
hooked up.
We'll take bikes. They sell
Yeah.
bikes. Yeah, whatever you guys
All over
need.
Alabama.
So
That's
shout out to you,
crazy.
Dale. We appreciate your support.
Dale.
Yeah, thank you for choosing Warhorse. Caleb's looking up how to install some of these parts because they don't come with instructions. All right, so we realized when we looked at everything and how this all goes together, and because we have rings or bolts for the ABS ring, actually you can almost get to them now. Oh, but the other ones are behind it. Never mind. Yeah, so we have titanium bolts for the ABS ring, for the front rotors, and pretty much for everything up here, the pinch bolts, and we decided we're just gonna pull the wheel in order to do that. So we already got the front fender off. That's gonna get replaced with a new one, which we already showed you guys, which is gonna be super cool. And then these are gonna go down underneath it. We did notice some scratches on this, so we're gonna try and buff them out. If they don't come out, then I'll just have Manny send me a new replacement for the left-hand side. But I still wanna see it on anyway, regardless, so we're still gonna install it just so we can see it, how it looks. All right, just pulled the front axle out. The wheel is off. Now we can actually have access to all of these right here because we're replacing all of these rotor bolts right there. So with the blue ones, how light is that thing?
It's pretty light.
Yeah, probably the rotors are the heaviest part of that wheel since it's carbon fiber. There you go. That's what we needed access to right there. All right, we got the new titanium Pro-Type blue bolts installed. What were the Newton meter specs on these?
19.
19 Newton meters. They already come pre-Loctited with the blue Loctite, so it doesn't need a high torque setting. Just made that up, but we're gonna go with it. So that we'll put those on, then we can put the ABS ring back on with the new bolts, and then we can flip it over, do the same on the other side, and we can put it back together. Just talking, the damn ABS ring covers up the titanium bolts. Caleb's like, yeah, but we know they're there. These little bolts, he said, are 5 Newton meters. Look at this. That is hilarious. They are itty bitty. Cool. All right, we got the wheel back on. I just realized we have titanium pinch bolts as well. Look at those. I think half of these titanium bolts are gonna get covered by all the carbon parts, but again, as Caleb said, we know they're there. And we were online looking for torque specs. Look at this, it tells you right on the box. 35 Newton meters for the pinch bolts. It's pretty nice that they do that. All right, while Caleb's in there working, I wanted to show you guys, I just got in a bunch of Ducati riding gear. Some of it's off-bike stuff, but these are really nice. I have something similar to this. I actually want to get one of these because mine's getting a little beat up. They even have some called Cordura, is that what it is? Cordura denim jeans, slide resistant up to 60 miles an hour for 5 seconds, I want to say. They even have built-in armor in these. These are really nice. I actually might get a pair of these black ones. They're super nice. And then they even have some beautiful riding jackets, some gloves with carbon in them. Look at that. This hat's actually really nice too. The Petco hat, number 63. And then this, look at this helmet, dude. Look at how beautiful this is. And then they have bags up here. I almost bought this guy. I just want Ducati everything. Even though we're doing a BMW build, even these shoes are super nice. Look at that. Black, and they zip on and off so you don't have to tie them every time. Super nice. We also have that too. That's also very nice. Boop, boop. All right, we're putting on the carbon rotor cover. And the way that it works is you actually take this piece off. It's in 2 pieces, and you slide it, the whole cover around back, and it goes basically on the what's this part called? I forget what
It's
this
like the base of the fork.
the fork base. Yeah. So it clamps on the fork base, and then this comes around up in front, and it hooks up right there. If I had one piece of feedback for Full Six who makes these, I would anodize this black. I think that would look a lot better. The silver kind of stands out. There's really nothing else silver around this area, but that's okay. It still looks cool. Maybe I could even just anodize them myself or powder coat it. I'm not sure if that would work, but let me know your thoughts, what you guys think in the comment section below. The rotor is silver, but you're really not going to see much of that once the top carbon piece is on. But overall, super cool tricked piece. All right, the carbon rotor covers are on. Next, he's adding the new mud hugger. This looks so dope, guys. And someone just bought a new R7, blacked out. Congratulations if you watch the videos. That's a sick bike, dude. Love that thing. They've been selling like hotcakes. And Caleb had a pretty good point. He said he thinks whenever this is all in place, it's gonna cover most of the silver part down there, so you really won't even see that. Dude, this looks amazing. It gives the bike like a Tron feel to it. It looks so cool, dude. That is badass. All right, let's get the Warhorse approval of the new shot. What do you think, Caleb?
It looks good.
It's badass, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. I think it's Tron style, dude. Look at this thing. Shane, what are your thoughts?
Well, I think it's better than good. I think it's very nice.
Oh,
Very
you really like it?
Oh, yeah.
He really likes it?
I think it looks tough.
It looks
Yeah?
like a plane. Dude.
And unique. It does, dude. Teens, you like them?
Yeah, it does look very different.
Yeah.
It's unique.
It's unique.
Never seen it before.
That's what people want.
One of a kind.
They want to see us do unique shit, dude. I think it looks awesome. So again, you can get these from Moto Million. Use my code Campisi to save yourself some money. If you're local here and you want to get some, these boys will install them for you. This guy right here, and bring them on down to Warhorse. Again, mention my name, Campisi, save yourself some money. No, I'm gonna push it outside. Let's get some rollers. They can see what it looks like. But I think it's incredible. And I still have some Gillies Tooling axle sliders coming in blue, and then titanium. We can see the pinch bolts.
You can see it at an angle right here.
Yeah.
You gotta find them.
But it's gonna be sick, guys. I love this thing. Let's push it outside and see how it looks.
How does it look?
Let them see a little clip of it moving.
Oh, you're gonna start it up?
Yeah. Well, I can't push it up the hill.
Not strong enough? No big boy muscles?
What do you think?
It's very hard to see because it's
it?
very bright out,
Oh,
but
you
I'm
can't
sure
see
you
the
could see
screen?
it on the screen, yeah.
I think it's really freaking cool. If this was my bike, I'd be putting that shit on there. It looks dope as fuck. So again, Manny, Moto Million, if you guys want to get these parts for your bike, use my code Campisi. Save yourself some money. That is super cool. We still have a lot more stuff to do just to this area. I just don't have the pieces yet, but Manny just shipped them out. So that's gonna look really good. We've got full tie bolts for the whole bike. We've got more carbon parts coming, and it's just the beginning. Also, events coming up at Warhorse. Go to their Instagram. Their website link is in the description below, or follow my Instagram at JaretCampisi. We're going to be keeping you up to date with the events. Lots of cool stuff coming. A new grand reopening, a car show, bike nights, all kinds of fun stuff. And we would love seeing you guys out. So that's it. Don't forget, if you guys want to be entered to win this bike, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.